Good afternoon, family and friends. We have come here today to celebrate the wedding of I-Ching and Stan.
Stan, these past 2 years have been the most incredible of my life. You have filled my days with love, joy, and unwavering support. And my love for you grows stronger with each passing day.
Wang I-Ching, I vow to grow together as a couple and to raise with you our family. I vow to be your biggest advocate and support throughout this life in sickness and in health. I vow to hold you precious above all things and all others. My one North Star, I love you, I-Ching. And as your husband, I promise to stand by you always and forever.
Today, this couple demonstrates their devotion to each other by dedicating themselves to a life together. I-Ching and Stan, do you present yourselves willingly and of your own accord to be joined in marriage?
I do.
I do.
It is my honor and delight to declare you henceforth to be husband and wife.
So I was preparing this speech, I asked the groomsmen to describe Stan in only three words. So we'll start with Lawrence. Lawrence said he was senator, chivalrous, and loyal. Tyler said kindness, patience, intelligence. I mean, he literally did it in 30 seconds. He already knew. And then Thomas said hardworking, committed, and loving. So having known Stan for 25 years, I'm happy to report that all these traits and characteristics, he exhibited them since I first met him. And like a fine wine, it's only gotten better with age. In closing, I'm reminded of a movie quote. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. So, to the start of the rest of their lives together. Love you guys.
Stan and I-Ching always show up for each other, always choose each other. This is it, guys, you made it. I will end my speech with a line from mine and I-Ching's favorite classic artist, which I think best describes the love you have for each other. You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say, I want it that way. Before we do a toast, we'll do tequila shots.
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me and all of the people. Nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me and all of the people. And I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.